Welcome back everyone, and welcome all of you who are new. Today we're doing knotless braids. You'll need some jam, a comb, clips, and your hair extensions. First step, you want to make your section of hair and then add your jam to that hair. This will make sure the area is very smooth, and if you have natural hair, it will definitely smooth down those curls. Next, make your 3 strands just like you're doing a normal braid. Then you're going to braid twice or cross your strands 4 times. Now you're going to add in your extensions or hair. Now if it looks like my scalp is moving, I was chewing gum. I know it looks weird, but you're going to make a loop and slide that loop under your index finger. And then the 2 strands, connect them to 2 strands of your natural hair. So connect 2 strands of the extension to your 2 strands of your natural hair. Once you connect those strands, braid like nothing happened. Just braid like normal, and then do that 1 time and repeat the step by adding the extension to 2 strands of your natural hair. Continue to braid in a normal pattern and then add more hair. So you'll braid once, add an extension, braid again, add an extension, braid again, add an extension. And by that time it should be full enough, but if it's not, braid again, add another extension. Once you've added enough hair, then you can turn the braid around if it's more comfortable for you to finish the braid. This same technique can be applied on someone else's head. You can do it on your head or someone else. But remember, when you're doing your own hair, it will never be perfect or look as good as how it looks when you're doing someone else's hair. But keep practicing and you'll just get better and better. So I'll go ahead and do this 2 more times so that you can follow along as you practice. As you're braiding, when you're done adding your extensions, add more jam to the ends of your hair just in case your hair is curly. You can smooth it down, or if your hair is frizzy, you can smooth it down, or if it's none of the above, just add the jam so that it can make sure everything is smooth and give you a real polished look. So this is it. Thank you all for watching. I hope that this helped, and I hope that you become a better braider, and I hope that you do well with this technique. Stick around for more braiding techniques, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.